Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to mute all Telegram notifications, and now let's dive right in. Now, to mute all Telegram notifications on your phone, we'll be required to go to the settings of the phone and not the Telegram app itself. So in order to do that, let's open the settings of our phone. And on this interface, we'll be required to scroll down until we can find the apps option available for us. Just above the location here, you can see guys, there is the apps that will be on your phone as well. So open up the apps. And again, over here, tap on app management, which is at the top of the screen. And over here guys, when this appears at the top, again there is a search bar available for us. Tap over there and search for Telegram and open it. And when this interface appears, you can see there is the manage notifications option available for us. Just above the permissions, tap on manage notifications, and this kind of interface will be here for you, whereas you can spot the allow notifications available for us at the top of the screen. You can see there is a toggle icon at the right side of that option where it says the allow notifications. If you tap on the toggle icon at the right side, it will be turned off and all of the notifications of Telegram will be turned off. And with that being said guys, this is how to mute all of the notifications from Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.